Should you own a boat? The word boat is an acronym that stands for bring out another thousand. Working class people should not own a boat unless they are worth over $1 million. Or their income depends on it. Let's say you are the best fishing charter captain in the entire world, you might need to own a boat in order to give out fishing charters. But if you're using a boat for recreational purposes, you should rent one, you should not own one. Boats drop in value faster than a ship sinking to the bottom of the ocean, and they also require a ton of money in order to keep maintained. Broke people stay broke by owning boats. The choice is yours. Choose wisely.